Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today, I'm going to bring a topic which has been in discussion or controversy, I would say. Of course, with respect to the Honda CB350 and both RS and Highness. So, I got a message from Bangalore top line big wing service manager, who's a very good friend of mine. So here, finally, Honda has released the update, the ECU update, which was long pending or due in terms of addressing the issues what some of the riders have faced, especially in the high altitudes. When I say high altitudes, it would be something like 5,000 or 8,000 or 12 or 15,000 above the sea level. Frankly speaking, we don't have those kind of altitudes in the southern part of India. Of course, when you go to the northern side, yes, you have even up to 10, 12, 15,000 also. So this update is specifically released for all the bikes which have come in with the older firmware, to update the ECU firmware to the latest version, which is going to improve the performance when you're in the high altitudes, right? So the message goes this way, that Honda, as always has been conscious about the quality of their products, and even for a little thing such as the reflector on the rear mud flap also was recalled. If you remember, that was recalled and that part was replaced. So it's a very minute thing, but still they took the pain, took the care to do a recall and replace that part for many customers. And frankly speaking, in terms of warranty also, I have not faced any issues. Anything which was found to be defective was replaced immediately without any questions asked. So that's the commitment in terms of quality. So good from that aspect, right? So here the message says that they welcome you to come in and get your bike updated with the latest ECU version. And this ECU version, as a product update, is going to enhance the performance of CB350 Highness and RS, both the versions, especially at high altitudes, as I mentioned, right? So this particular software update campaign is launched and it's going on. And if it's going on in Bangalore, I'm sure it would be going on or launched across the country. So please do reach out to your respective Honda Big Wing service center and make a mention of this, that this is the ECU update which was launched, and they would quickly be able to punch in your frame number or the engine number and identify what is the version which has gone in, right, into your bike. And accordingly they would book a slot or an appointment to update this particular ECU version. So this ECU version, they say that it takes a maximum time of 15 minutes to complete the process. So basically what would happen is they would have a laptop and a connector cable, OBD connector cable, which connects from the laptop where the software is loaded, and the particular cable connects to your ECU port, which is an onboard diagnostics port, which is there under the seat on the ECU. They connect it to that, check the version, and then do a firmware or the software update. So it's a very straightforward and a simple process. During this process, you just need to keep the ignition in on mode, and then the process happens. So that's pretty much. And they would tell you when to turn off the ignition and turn on. So they would be experts on that. So I would recommend each one of us to go ahead and get this update done for the product. Although if you don't travel to the hills or don't travel in high altitudes, it is good to get the latest software updated onto the bike, because it would address the bugs, right? If you are from the software industry, you would understand that every product comes with versions, right? Every new version addresses the bugs what are there in the previous version. So similarly, this is an update. So I urge you all to go ahead and get that particular update done for both all your bikes, irrespective of Highness or RS. Please do definitely visit and get it done. So for whoever is in Bangalore, I think Topline has launched a Google form where you can also book your schedule or service in advance. So I will share that link in the description, along with the message what I have received from the Silicon Big Wing Topline Bangalore, so that you understand the complete context of it, and you are fully equipped to reach out to your Big Wing service center to get the necessary or required software update done for your bike. So yes, my friends, that's the update what I had today. So I wanted to share it with one and all, so that it benefits each one of us to upkeep our bikes and keep them in pristine condition without any breakdowns, especially when you travel high altitudes. So that's pretty much from me at this point. To take care of yourselves and stay safe. We will keep talking soon, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, happy to interact, happy to talk to you all and clarify any questions, or let me know.